Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and you're probably wondering why I look like this. Well, that's because I just filmed a tutorial on how to do this look, which I will link down below for you to check out after watching this video. Well, anyway, this tutorial is about how to make some simple self-hardening clay. This is how it looks. This is the clay I made today for this video. This clay is super simple and quick to make. It has only 3 ingredients. It dries with air and you can practically use it for anything, cosplay and non-cosplay. I personally made my Princess Mononoke mask and ears out of it, and it worked great, and it's strong and it's great. Another important thing to note is that if you don't use all of it and you want to store it in a way that it doesn't come in contact with air so it won't harden. Let's get on with the tutorial. Any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more of me, follow me on my Instagram. And don't forget to check out the channel's Instagram. Bye bye!